welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a review, and I'm going to talk about the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, as I have been using this for over a year now, and I like to share my experience with you all because I have been getting a lot of benefits. So I have thought of coming up with an in-depth review. So if you wish to know what are the benefits I have been getting, so please keep on watching. Let's talk about the packaging. This is how it looks. It has a simple glass bottle, but it is super classy as well. I really like. Comes with a dropper. So this is how it is. It is very convenient for you to use, and how much ever drop you want, it's up to you. You can just control with the dropper, and I really like this packaging as it is a very convenient bottle. I can just keep it in my handbag and roam around anywhere I want to. I use this on the go when I'm going out. I make sure I have the vitamin C micellar water as well. I wipe my face with that and then I go and use this. I really like using this. So it gives the hydration back to my skin. So it comes in two different sizes. This one is the 30 ml bottle. There is another one which is the smaller size, which comes in 15 ml. And for 30 ml of product, you have to just pay 449 rupees, the MRP is. And for the 15 ml of product, it is 225. So if you're not sure that which one you should go first, for the 30 ml or for the 15 ml, I'll suggest go for the 15 ml first. Just check it out if it is working for your skin, because I know it's going to work for everyone. My Masi, she has got normal skin. My mom, she has got dry skin. I have got combination to oily skin. I use this, and I'll say this is for all skin type, and it's tested and proved in my family itself that everybody can use this product. So the key ingredients of this is Yuzo lemon and the 30x booster of vitamin C, and you can say it's a total magic in one bottle, because the formula of this product is very non-oily, non-greasy. It gives you a lot of hydration, a smooth and soft skin as well, and this absorbs into your skin like a magic, trust me, and reduces all the dark spots if you have. And you'll notice the results in just 3 days. Like when I have started using this product in past like a year back, I have seen just in 3 days it worked so much better for my skin. It's even going to help your skin brighten. It's going to reduce the dark spot. It will make your skin tone even. Blemishes or dark spots in your face, it's going to get reduced. And as this product claims, it gives you instant glow to your face. It gives you a lot of hydration, plump looking skin. And I really feel the claim is absolutely true, because I'll share my experience. Nowadays I don't do a lot of makeup because I don't go out. Like I do makeup whenever I'm filming a YouTube video or it's a wedding or a big function to attend, but whenever I'm going out for a grocery, to a sabzi bazaar or anywhere, I prefer going with my skincare only. I apply this baby right here and then wear my mask. It's even dermatologically tested. It's not going to give you any pimples or rashes under your mask. So it's completely safe to use when you're going out, and most of my face is actually covered. I wear a mask and then even wrap around a dupatta which covers my whole face, and I can say that my skin has been looking and feeling really healthy after using this product. So now let me use this product and give you a demo how you can use this. So now as you can see, I have taken few drops. You are good to go with 3 to 4 drops in your hands or in your palms, and I just tap this in. I don't like to massage it, but rather I like to tap this on my face, so it gives me that proper application throughout my skin, and it even makes sure that it is absorbing into my skin. And even you can see how I'm using this. So this is the right and the proper way to use this product. Don't actually rub it in your skin, otherwise it's going to turn into a milky white texture, and a lot of people don't like that feeling because it's going to feel a little bit tacky on your skin when you're using it. But after wearing this, you won't feel anything because it is super lightweight, has a non-sticky, non-greasy formula. Like you can see nothing sticking to my fingers now. It's all clear, and I really like to touch my skin, but I don't do that because it feels soft to touch, and it is good that you are not touching your face 100 times because you're actually removing the last layer which is there on your skin, which makes your skin feel good, and it is actually protecting you. What you have applied, it is all absorbed, and then there is a layer which is actually protecting your skin, so you don't really want to touch and damage that layer, which is going to make your skin protected throughout the day. And as I said, it gives you a instant glow, and you can actually see this on my skin. It looks so fresh, glowy and plump. And I have been using this for a year. As I said, I have been using this during summer times. I have used this in the monsoon weather. I have used this in fall time, and now it is winter. I have seen this works absolutely amazing in all time. It's not going to make you feel greasy or oily because it feels non-greasy, but it feels very much hydrated, and I have been loving using this baby right here. So if you want to get your hands on this, just go for it because it's going to do wonders to your skin. So as I said, the 30 ml of product retails for 449 rupees, and for 15 ml of product it is for 225 rupees. So it's definitely your call which one you want to get your hands on, but I would like to suggest first you can go for the 15 ml of product. Try it, and I'm sure you're going to love it, and then just stock up on your 30 ml of product because 449 rupees is actually nothing for a vitamin serum. And yeah, I can say this because I have been using this and I absolutely love it. My mom loves it, my Masi loves it, and I have already seen like it works for all these skin types. My Masi has got normal skin, my mom has extremely Sahara Desert dry skin, and I have combination to oily skin, and I absolutely love when I apply this on my skin. It gives me so much refreshment, and the smell of this product is amazing. You're going to feel fresh. So I use this 2 times a day in my morning and even in my evening routine. But if I'm out and I feel like using this, I even do it 3 times a day. Whenever I wash my face and you know, like after a bath, I definitely go for it. But 2 times is my holy grail. I use this and I love it. So what are you waiting for? Just go and get your hands on these products. Everything is there in the description box, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So just let me know in the comment section below if you got your hands on this. And that's it for this video, this review right here. We'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care, love you all, stay safe, stay healthy, and love your skin. Mwah. Bye.